So here's how you can open a calendar in the Apple Watch with the Fist Clench. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So basically you can open up your watch application on the iPhone and locate the settings. Of course, the accessibility section of your settings like that. And you can see we have a couple of different sections, of course. And you can see when you click on the assistive touch, make sure it's turned on, and then you have the hand gesture. So also make sure that those are enabled, right? And you can see like the tap, double tap, clench, and a double clench, right? So you can see we can click on the clench and choose from the options. For example, if you want to just take a look at the calendar, what you could technically do is to make sure that with the clench gesture, you open up the dock, right? Or show the widgets. And you can set up the widgets to show you the calendar right there, right? So you could technically do it this way. It also might make you go to the notification center. So in case you have some calendar events, you can just check them out right there. Or at the bottom, we have a section for shortcuts, right? And those can be set up on the iPhone. So when you leave the app and go to the Shortcuts app, you can set up a shortcut which opens up the calendar, right? And then choose it to be the one which gets triggered with a clench gesture. So this is how you could technically make it work on your Apple Watch using this, gesture. So let me know about that below in the comments if you managed to make it work. I would really appreciate your feedback. So stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important in the future. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.